Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Adunni again, and in today's video we are going to be revamping these old wigs that my client sent in. There are about 5 of them, and I am just bringing them out of the ziploc that she sent them in to see the state that each one of them are. I noticed that they are human hair, they are machine sewn, and their curls are out of shape. They're actually dirty, they are shedding as per usual. If you're new on my channel, my name is Adunni and I'm a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials and DIY to help you save more and spend less while looking good. If you're new on my channel, please do consider clicking the subscribe button. Actually, click the subscribe button because I know you would find this video helpful, and any other video you watch on this channel, I know you will find them helpful. So please join the family by clicking the subscribe button, and let's get straight into today's video. So I'm basically just bringing out everything to see the states that they came in, and to just make sure that I inspect everything to know what I am really doing, and I am trying to comb it out to make the first process of the revamping a bit easy for me. And the major one of the wigs was hand sewn, it wasn't machine sewn, and it is this particular black one on the table, and there's this short one also that I think is actually very cute. It's giving all these 2000 like early 2000 wig style, like a pixie coily wig, and it's actually very nice. Then this one, I don't know who wigged this hair initially, but the person did a very terrible job, like very terrible. I had to loosen it out before I could even do anything. Like, I had to loosen it out. It was not well wigged at all, and it is a very good human hair. This was me trying to think I can detangle it. No, I couldn't. So the first step is to get lukewarm water, and I am using my stimulating shampoo from Mega Grows. You can use any shampoo you have. If you have a clarifying shampoo, that will work very well. And the water I'm using is very lukewarm. It's not hot at all. It is lukewarm that I could put my hand in. So I'm just dumping all of the wig into my hot water that has shampoo, and I'm going to use my hand to wash it like individually. That was basically what I did. So the first thing I noticed is that there's a black and wine wig amongst this wig, and I noticed while washing it that it was actually dyed or bleached. The dye was coming off. So the first thing you shouldn't do when you want to revamp your wig, do not wash colored wigs with other color. So like, wash them individually. But luckily enough, or good enough, the dye that washed off did not stain any other wig. So I poured that water out, and the next is going in with my detangling conditioner. And this detangling conditioner, you guys see how much I use? Can you guys see? And I'm still using like the same lukewarm water. And I think this detangling conditioner is not even, I know, like, this detangling conditioner actually took the state of the wig from 0 to 100. Like, it's just as the name said, detangling. See the way the comb is actually going through it. I just wanted to show you guys, it took the states of the wig from 0 to 100. So I also went ahead to wash it with my hand in the bucket, and also rinsed it off. You want to make sure that you actually you ensure that the wig is actually very clean. So this is a particular one that I said the color was washing off. So after washing it off, I rinsed off the conditioner, and the next process that I am doing is deep conditioning the hair, because they're actually human hair. So I want it to, I needed it to go back to its natural state. So I'm really deep conditioning, and I am very generous with the amount of products that I am using. So I am returning it back into the ziploc after I had cleaned the ziploc, and I was going out. So I just needed to really do this very early in the morning before going out. And I am going to leave the deep conditioner on the air. So I left it for about 3 to 4 hours, but maximum 1 hour is okay. Like 1 hour would get the job done. But I left it for a longer period of time because I was not at home. I went out. Okay. Now that we're done past the stage, I literally tucked it in. Like I wrapped the air around the wig just so that the deep conditioner will sit in well, and also zipped it up in the ziplock so that the deep conditioner would do its thing. I know you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? If you're still watching at this point and you've not skipped any ads, thank you so much. Please, I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you have not clicked that subscribe button, please click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button. I would appreciate. Please subscribe to my channel. It's meant so much to me. I really want to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which is literally in 3 months, right? October, November, December. Yes, in 3 months. So I left it, like I said, I left it for a long period of time. 1 hour 30 minutes is actually still going to get the job done, just the way we deep condition our hair on our wash days. Okay, so after the deep conditioning, I rinsed it out and let it air dry, but the weather is not so, it just didn't properly air dry. So this is one of the wigs, and I'll be showing you guys the aftercare of the wig after washing, like what I did next after washing. So now I'm basically blow drying the wig, like making sure that the tracks are dry, making sure that the wig is dry, because if it is not properly dry, there's every possibility or tendency that it is going to stink if it's not properly dyed. Okay guys, look at that, look at that, look at this wig. Like, look, I was so happy that the results is very visible. So after this, I still went ahead to blow dry the wig from the inner side because I needed to be sure that it was properly dry. I don't want it stinking. I don't want it stinking. I want my clients to see this wig and I was like, oh wow, like did I give you this? So after that, I went in with this my Mega Growth living conditioner, and this is actually just to help pronounce the wig, as this particular wig is a curly wig, so I needed the wig to be more the curl to be more pronounced. And I think I don't need to say anything. I know you guys can tell from the dry state to the wet state. So that is one thing about curly wigs, they always have two beautiful states, either dry or wet. So after the leave-in conditioner, you can also go ahead to spray in water and just leave it to a dry, or pack it up. So after applying the leave-in conditioner, what I did in this case, because I was sending it out to the client same day, I just left it to air dry, and this was actually the next day after washing. It's not the same day I washed, the next day after washing. So I left it to actually like air dry and let the product sit in. And guys, I think this came out looking so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. It looks so nice. I absolutely like it, and she loves the outcome of all of her wigs. And I think I have more tutorials from this particular. Just make sure you subscribe, okay? Make sure you're subscribed, turn on post notification. Please give this video a thumbs up. It is how I wore 3 different outfits to film one video. That is how you know when a video is not filmed in a day. I wore 3 different outfits to film this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my very next one. Please share this video with someone you know would find it helpful. Bye.